y'all, welcome back to another video. My name is Jasmine, and in today's video we are installing another lovely wig from LUVME Hair. Y'all know I've been working with LUVME Hair for a while now. All their wigs are literally just so bomb, so luxe. Like, I absolutely love them. I'll have all the wig details down below for you guys if you do want to check out this wig, along with links. And as you can see, this wig, the lace on it, see-through, HD, you already know the deal. I did go ahead and pluck this wig and bleach the knots, so we are already plucked. As you can see, that hairline is looking very lifelike. It's looking like my real hair. I will say that I kind of feel like I wish I would have shaped the hairline better, but that's just my own personal thing that I could have done, but I digress. So I'm just taking this Got To Be hairspray and I'm just going ahead and spraying that along the hairline. And then after the hairline is fully saturated, I'm just taking an elastic band and I'm going to be tying down that entire area where I sprayed the Got To Be at. I just want to make sure that this wig is secure and stuck down to my head. So once I go ahead and take that off, after I let it sit for about like 15-20 minutes, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off. So I'm using a pair of mini scissors and a eyebrow razor just to give myself like a jagged edge on that lace so it blends better with my skin. You never want to cut straight across with scissors because it'll look very fake, very wiggy. So you want to kind of move the razor kind of how I'm moving it in a very like zigzag motion. And after I went ahead and cut off that lace, I'm just gonna go ahead and part. I decided to do a side part with curls today. And I'm kind of mad because I did overpluck a little bit in the parting space. I mean, it's really not that noticeable, but for me personally, and me being like a perfectionist, I just wish I wouldn't have plucked so hard in that front area of the part. But I still think it looks really good and it almost gives it more of a natural like finish because of that. It's not so picture perfect. But anyway. So now I just took a wax stick and I put that on the top of my head and I'm just going in with a hot comb so that we can flatten out this wig. We want this wig to look like scalp. We want it to look like our own hair. So we really got that hot comb on full blast and I'm pressing that top down. Now I'm just taking some heat protectant and I'm just pushing that all throughout my hair. I want to make sure my hair is staying nice and soft. So we got to protect it from the curling iron. Well, actually, we're not using a curling iron today. I actually decided to go ahead and use a flat iron instead. Y'all know I love my little flat iron curls. I'm doing like every other piece of hair, curling toward my face and then curling away from my face. I just wanted to give it a very like natural body wavy look. So that's why I decided to do that way. And then in the end, you're gonna see me go ahead and brush out all the curls. And y'all, it's gonna look so good, just wait. And I do wanna say this hair was super easy to curl. Like I would literally go through one pass and it was curled. Like, one of the most easy wigs to style like that I've used and dealt with in a long time. And then, like I promised, I'm taking a wide tooth comb and I'm just brushing out those curls so they look super bouncy, super wavy. I didn't really want them to look like perfect curls, you know what I mean? I wanted to look like almost like bedhead curls. And with that being said, y'all, this is the final look. I zoomed out so you could see like the full hair in all its glory. Y'all, it's literally gorgeous. For one, it looks like it's growing on my scalp. Absolutely love. For two, the body and like how soft this hair was beyond measure. Like I literally could not stop playing and running my fingers through this hair because it was so soft. It was not like tangling whatsoever, and it just felt so nice and luxurious. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Like I said, all of the links will be down there if you guys do want to check out this wig along with the discount code. Thank you, LUVME Hair, for sponsoring today's video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.